The kitchen of 2025. Smart, sustainable, and surprisingly simple. The modern kitchen is undergoing a revolution. In 2025, the kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. It's a hub of smart innovation, health consciousness, and eco-awareness. What's fascinating is that you don't need to tear down walls or invest in expensive appliances to keep up. The shift is in the way we think, organize, and use the space. From AI-driven cooking helpers to plastic-free storage systems, this transformation is accessible to everyone. Let's explore how the everyday kitchen is turning into the nerve center of a smarter home, and how you can be part of it with simple, strategic choices. At the heart of today's kitchen evolution is the fusion of minimalism and smart technology. One of the fastest-growing trends is the use of AI-powered kitchen assistants. These are apps or small countertop gadgets that connect to your smart devices, helping with everything from meal planning to inventory management. They track expiration dates, suggest recipes based on what you have, and even remind you to drink more water. What's powerful here is that all of this works silently in the background, letting you focus on enjoying food instead of stressing over what to cook. The visual impact is a sleek kitchen interface, usually a single screen or a tablet, with clean surfaces and hidden storage. No clutter, just intelligent use of space and information. Sustainability is also redefining how we store and preserve food. Plastic-free kitchens are more than a Pinterest fantasy now. They're a growing reality. Replacing Ziploc bags and cling film with beeswax wraps, silicone lids, and stackable glass containers is easier than ever, thanks to widespread availability and better designs. Even the most practical households are finding it convenient to compost food scraps, using compact countertop composters that turn waste into nutrient-rich soil within days. These changes aren't just good for the environment. They create a kitchen aesthetic that feels fresh, natural, and inviting. Think open jars of lentils and grains, baskets of fresh produce, and wooden or ceramic tools that add warmth to the space. Health has also become a focal point. But not just in terms of the food we eat. It's also about the air we breathe. In 2025, more households are investing in indoor herb gardens. Not only for culinary use, but also to naturally purify the air. Compact vertical gardens are booming, and you'll often see these planted walls next to kitchen windows or in corner stands. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary do double duty, flavoring dishes and filtering toxins. Air quality sensors are another quiet yet impactful innovation. They track humidity, smoke, and pollutants, sending alerts when ventilation is needed. These tech-forward touches integrate seamlessly, making wellness a core part of kitchen life. Finally, the way we prepare and enjoy meals is shifting toward a more mindful, connected experience. One trend that gained momentum during the remote work era and continues strong in 2025 is the concept of slow kitchens. Instead of rushing through cooking, more people are dedicating specific time blocks to meal prep as a form of relaxation and creativity. It's less about the speed and more about the ritual. Playing music, setting the scene with ambient lighting, and making food a shared activity. Tools that support this lifestyle, like programmable kettles, temperature-regulated cutting boards, and precision cookers, add convenience without disrupting the slower pace. As more people recognize the kitchen as a space for emotional recharge, this trend is only expected to grow.